Hey guys, it's Valerie, your independent Scentsy consultant, and this box is our reunion kit. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I have not even broken the tape on this yet to show you what is inside. So this is for the 2018 reunion in Anaheim. I literally got this from the UPS guy on my way in. I'm in California right now, so I am sweaty because it is hot. It's hot right now. So just busting the tape on this. I'm so excited. Inside, it says, "These are the moments that make life magical." Sorry, I just throw stuff. Okay, so, and then let me show you the outside of the box. It says, "One magical moment," which is kind of our theme for this reunion. Outside the box, SFR 2018. Oh, mine's a little squished. But that's okay. So opening it up inside, 2018 Scentsy. Sorry, my cat is complaining and my dogs might start making their presence known. So this is just kind of a lift-off top. Insert there. So here is my badge and gives you some information on the back there. So it is going to be assigned seating again this year. We usually sit kind of in a group with our superstar director, which is nice. So we have the badge, and then for my guest, sorry, I have that was my lifetime PRV thing, and then we have, since this is going to be like one of our first international, like all of the regions are coming together, we got this new ribbon that tells us what country we're from, and then my title ribbon, and then it looks like our daily schedule here. Super cool. I'm super excited. I'm gonna have to take a closer look at that. And then a little baggie for all of that together. So I have a t-shirt here. And this says "One magical run." So this is for the 5K. And the 5K is going to be at Huntington Beach. And it's my first one that I'm actually going to participate in. I signed up when we went to Nashville, but I didn't go because I had some issues with my flight. So I didn't get in until super late. And this is our reunion shirt. It says "One magical moment." And then it has the year that you enrolled, that you started with Scentsy on the side. So I started in 2015. There we go. And then my guest t-shirts are in here as well. And that's it. So that is our reunion kit so far. Just getting us ready to head down to Anaheim. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll do my best to help you out. And that's all. See you guys later.